Hello and welcome to a new range of product videos from Commercial Audio Solutions. My name is Mark Osier and I am the Technical Product Manager here. We are trying to introduce a range of product videos for you to watch online, which are probably easier than reading through a set of manuals or PDFs. Today we're starting with the humble TOA A2000 series amplifier, which has recently had an update from being bipolar to being Class D. So there's a few advantages with Class D which I'll explain quickly. So the amplifiers are now about quarter the amount of power it uses, so it's a lot more efficient than the old design, so it generates less heat, which means the actual chassis is smaller and it'll fit into smaller racks as well. We'll run through the features of the amplifiers. There are 4 models in the range. There's 30 watt, 60 watt, 120 watt and 240 watts. It's a 100 volt line only. The old version did used to be low impedance as well, but because of the Class D design and the transformerless design, it's now just 100 volt line only. So the amplifier features 5 inputs. We've got 3 microphone input channels and we've got 2 auxiliary channels. So there's a level control for each of those inputs. We've got the bass and treble and we've got master. We've got a signal present LED, a peak light and a power on light. So as we come around to the back panel of the amplifier, the first microphone input is on a 5-pin DIN connector. TOA have used this for many years. This actually matches up with a paging microphone called a PM660D. So if you want a paging system where music is overridden, you can plug this microphone straight into this input. Also on the input is a phantom power facility which gives you 18 volts. So if you're running a condenser microphone for maybe a small chapel system, that's normally enough voltage to power most condenser microphones. This is a balanced input. There's also an adjustment for the priority override, which allows if you're using any music into the auxiliary inputs, it will duck the music. This allows you to duck from 0 dB to minus 30 dB. Inputs 2 and 3 are for microphones also. They are on balanced 6.3mm jacks, so you can run long runs with your balanced microphones on there. These are for dynamic microphone inputs. Inputs 4 and 5 are on RCA phonos. They are summed stereo inputs, so you can plug a CD player or other audio source in which has got stereo outputs and it will be summed to mono inside the amplifier. And then finally we've got a record output which is again on phonos, so that can be used to drive through to an audio recorder or induction loop amplifier or other type of device. And then we've got the 100 volt line output, which is for loudspeaker outputs. These are on screw terminals. I hope this overview of the TOA A2000 series amplifier was useful for you. It's a very versatile amplifier. It is a budget amplifier, but it's useful for lots of small systems, cafe, restaurant, bars, for background music, security, CCTV systems and paging systems in offices and factories. I hope you've liked this video and please subscribe. We hope to do many more product videos in the future.